Hi everyone. With a twin-turbo V8 that churns out up to 617 horsepower, the 2021 BMW M5 deserves a more explicit classification than mere sports sedan. Although based on the normal 5 Series and sharing an equally elegant interior, the mighty Beamer is transformed by the company's high-performance M division. BMW freshens up the 2021 M5 with a larger grille, restyled front and rear bumpers, and updated headlights and taillights. Inside, the most notable change is a new 12.3-inch touchscreen that replaces last year's 10.25-inch display. The system also adds Android Auto, cloud-based navigation features, and other improvements. Less obvious are the revised M mode settings, which are now easier to access thanks to being consolidated into a single button. In addition to several new paint options, the standard brake calipers can now be finished in high-gloss black or red. The competition model nets a new full merino leather color scheme, a new track drive mode, and new shock absorbers. These dampers benefit from a recalibrated control system that BMW says should improve ride comfort, especially at high speeds. Despite the increased cost, the M5 competition is the one to get. Not only does it have an additional 17 horsepower compared with the regular model, it has exclusive chassis components and tuning that maximize its performance and handling. After all, if we're spending 6 figures on a sports sedan, we want the most badass version. The M5 Comp also has 20-inch wheels, extra black exterior accents, and a standard M Sport exhaust system. While every model has a smorgasbord of desirable features, we'd further upgrade our M5 with the Executive Package. This adds a 360-degree camera system, ventilated front seat cushions with built-in massagers, heated front and rear seats, parking sensors at both ends, power-operated rear window shades, self-parking assist, and soft-close automatic doors. Sporting a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 with 600 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-foot of torque, the M5 is mighty quick. It launched to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and snapped off a 10.9-second quarter-mile time at 129 miles per hour. Top speed is a governor-limited 163 miles per hour. An even more powerful M5 competition model is now available and makes 617 horsepower. The M5 faithful will lament the discontinued manual gearbox and unfamiliar all-wheel drive system, but this Beamer has a high-tech drivetrain that can send 100% of power to the rear wheels for pure rear drive personality. Driving enjoyment is maximized here with lively and direct steering, a well-controlled ride, and heroic cornering grip. That doesn't mean the M5 can't also do duty as a luxury sedan. In comfort mode, it cruises placidly, and the cabin is whisper quiet. The government estimates the 2020 M5 and its competition variant will earn 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. The M5 has an elegant leather interior with supple and supportive sport seats. The driver's seating position is optimized for performance-style driving, and BMW hasn't gone the all-touchscreen route that many of its rivals have, so making changes to the air conditioning or adjusting the radio during driving causes little distraction. There's also a slew of desirable standard features that include customizable ambient interior lighting, a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable steering column. Further options include ventilated front seats with massage functions, heated rear seats, and 4-zone automatic climate control. The M5's large 12.3-inch touchscreen display runs BMW's latest xDrive infotainment software, sits atop the dash to the right of the driver's sightlines, and is primarily controlled by a rotary knob on the center console. The system includes standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also a 16-speaker, 600-watt Harman/Kardon audio system and wireless device charging on all models. Those who want even fancier features can opt for the optional rear seat entertainment system and 16-speaker, 1,400-watt Bowers & Wilkins sound system. The sports sedan does offer a wide variety of standard driver assistance technology, such as automatic high beams and blind spot monitoring. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available cruise control with stop-and-go technology. Thanks for watching.